Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato salad with cheese. First, select 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, such as Yukon Golds, which hold their shape well. Wash and peel them, then cut them into 1-inch cubes. Place the potato cubes in a large pot, cover with cold water, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are fork tender but not mushy. Drain them thoroughly and let them cool completely. Now, let's create the rich and creamy dressing that makes this potato salad so special. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tanginess. Season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of smoked paprika for depth of flavor. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth. With our dressing ready, it's time to add the star ingredient, cheese. Gently fold 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese into the dressing. This provides a wonderful savory element. Then, add 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for a refreshing crunch and texture contrast. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chives or thinly sliced green onions. These fresh herbs brighten the entire dish and add a subtle oniony note. Mix everything until just combined. Once your potatoes are completely cool, gently combine them with the prepared dressing and cheese mixture in a large bowl. Be careful not to mash the potatoes. You want them to retain their shape. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a gentle stir, garnish with extra fresh chives, and a light sprinkle of paprika. Enjoy your delicious potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.